Hello guys, welcome to another great video from Inevotech. Today I will be showing you the normal operating temperature for the Raspberry Pi. So I'm making this video because a lot of people have doubts into what's the normal operating temperature of the Raspberry Pi. Many people think that their Raspberry Pi is overheating. So in this video I will show you what's the normal temperature and we will test it with this infrared thermometer. So I have here my Raspberry Pi, my Ethernet cable, because this will be connected to my network in order so I can access it through SSH. I have my infrared thermometer, my power adapter, my stopwatch, and an extension. So I will set everything up and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, welcome back. So now I have connected the power adapter. So we're going to take the first reading. This will be our initial temperature. First of all, I will take the temperature of the CPU. So right now we can see that the temperature is around 31.6 degrees Celsius. So having taken that, we're going to take now the temperature for the USB controller. So the temperature of the USB controller is 31.6 and the CPU is 31.6 also. So those are our initial temperatures. So let's connect everything up right now. So first of all, we power here. So now the Raspberry Pi has power, and we plug in the Ethernet cable. Having done that, we just turn the stopwatch on. Let me see if you can see there. And we click start. So this is what I will be doing. I will be taking temperature at different times. So the next temperature I will take it at around 10 minutes. Then I will take another temperature after 30 minutes. Then at the hour mark, then at the 2 hour mark, and finally at the 3 hour mark. So I'll be back with you guys. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so 10 minutes have passed. So we're ready to take the second reading right now. So we take the infrared thermometer and we read the CPU's temperature. So now the CPU's temperature is at 45.4 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna take the USB controller temperature right now. So that's around 49 degrees. That's because I'm doing a lot of data transfer from my computer to the Raspberry Pi. And I forgot to mention that the normal CPU load right now in the Raspberry Pi, it's at around 10%. So one more time, the CPU, it's 45 degrees, 46 there, and the USB controller is at around 49. So see ya in another 20 minutes or so. Bye. Okay guys, so now 30 minutes have passed, so we're gonna go on and take our third reading. So we take the infrared thermometer and we aim at the CPU. So in the CPU we have 48 degrees Celsius, 48 right there. And on the USB controller we have 51.7 there on the USB controller. So as you can see, the temperature, it's still increasing. So let's see what the temperature will be at the 1 hour mark. Okay guys, we're in the 1 hour mark. So we're gonna proceed to taking the fourth reading. So we use the infrared thermometer, and we can see that the CPU temperature, it's at about 48 degrees, 47, 48. So now we're gonna proceed on taking the USB controller temperature. The USB controller temperature, it's at about 52 degrees. There it is. So I think it's stabilizing, so it's getting better. Once again, the CPU temperature is 48 degrees. So we're gonna go now to the 2-hour mark. So see you then. Okay guys, we've reached the 2-hour mark. So we're now gonna take the 5th reading. So with the IR thermometer, we're gonna take the CPU. This is the CPU temperature, 48 degrees Celsius, about the same as before. And the USB controller temperature, it's at about 52 degrees, also same as before. I must say that the USB controller temperature is higher than the CPU temperature because I'm transferring data to the Raspberry Pi back and forth. So I'm using the Ethernet port that it's connected to the USB controller. So once again, the CPU temperature 48 degrees, USB controller 52 degrees. So now we go to the 3-hour mark. That will be our last reading. Okay guys, so 3 hours have passed, which means that we're taking the final reading. So with the IR thermometer, we first measure the CPU temperature, which is 48 degrees Celsius, 49, and the USB controller reading, which is now in 52 degrees. So these are about the same temperatures. This is the CPU again, as you can see there, the CPU and the USB controller. So these are about the same temperatures we had earlier, which means that the temperature has stabilized over time. So more likely the temperature of the Raspberry Pi, at least mine, the higher it can get is 49 for the CPU and 52 for the USB controller, as long as you're using it like you're having a normal use. If you overclock your Raspberry Pi or running a lot of programs, the temperature may increase, but I don't think it will increase that much. So by watching this video, you can see that the temperature from the Raspberry Pi is, it may appear that it's too hot, but it's really not. This is a really normal temperature for any integrated circuit. So your Raspberry Pi is fine if you think it was overheating. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like down there the video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting a lot of more great videos about Raspberry Pi and other technological stuff. Thank you very much for watching.